This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Jinx Bright. Open floor plan. Kitchen overlooks the living room, dining room combo. Bonus room off the living room overlooking the pond. Large master bedroom with walk-in closet and ensuite bathroom. Bedroom 2 does not have a closet and is currently used as an office/den. Rear patio where you can enjoy a morning coffee or afternoon tea and watch the ducks and birds enjoying the pond. No immediate rear neighbors. The community has a pool and clubhouse for social events. There is also a community library and workout room located in the clubhouse complex. For more information, review the details below.